Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all fine and good and doing well. Guys, this collection is very beautiful because highlighter of silver shades of different and classy hairstyling for girls and different designs and coloring collection. So watch the video till the end and keep spotting before and after results and different amazing colors and shades. So hope you like my video, hope you love my video. This collection is related to aged women as well as the girls. So thank you so much guys to watch the video, like the video and to share the video. Keep supporting. If you want to watch more collection, then visit my channel, see the previous collection, more updates. Take care.